Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to the Revell 148 scale P-40B Tiger Shark build. And last time we worked on the painting the green inside the gear doors and the flaps. It's turned out a little darker than I wanted it to, but that's the lightest color green I had. Usually it's according to the box art and everything, it's a lighter green than this, but it'll be fine for what we do here. We're gonna weather it anyway. Yeah, nice little camouflage scheme. And what I did is I did touch up. It took 3 coats to get that to actually turn out right. And then I did some touch up on the wheel, on the light gray on the landing gear doors. Boy, I cannot think tonight. I'm getting too tired, I think. But before I go to sleep, I need to do some touch up on these landing gear. I like to get that so that tomorrow I can touch up the tires and we can continue on with this one. So what we're gonna do is just touch all this stuff up, because we got some primer where we didn't want it. And our tape actually pulled off some of our paint. We're just going to touch everything up a little bit. Give it another coat. Glasses are going to have to come off as normal because I need bifocals. Yeah, I think I'll just give the whole thing another coat of it. Being ever so careful not to get our other side of our wing or our landing gear doors. Let's go at it from a straight angle here so I don't get that lower wing. This is where it's nice that this brace going backwards doesn't connect to anything. Makes it not as nerve-wracking of a touch-up. Wonderful. Followed it on through. I'm not too worried about getting it on the tires either. That one's actually done. We are finished with that side. tilt it over this way and do it like we did last time. Just go straight on in. Pull it all the way down and lift it out. And it turned out great. This side held up better. Yeah, if I was to do that over again, I would do the purple tape. That blue tape's got a little bit too much could keep it in the shop for you. Not that this is probably the most exciting work, but this is a video log of building a model. I don't know, I kind of enjoy it myself. Just a little bitty piece right here. And the front. That's the main gear touched up. Now for the fun part. This part part of me says use a toothpick. Then I'm gonna have to hold the wheel in place while I do it. Oh, my green paint, oh, there we go. See, my green paint made my wheel, glued my wheel down. Yeah, I think we're gonna use the toothpick on that. So let's put this away. Because you know how much I like building models with toothpicks. I gotta check, make sure we're recording. I've gone so far without breaking that off. I really need to be careful here. So I'm gonna straighten that back out since we're gonna use the toothpick. We'll just dip it in there. We're gonna touch up the tire, so not a big deal if some of it gets on the tire. Very small piece. Besides, we need to get it in here because there we go. Well, that was the perfect amount of paint. It flowed into the position that it should have. Just a little bit of touch up right there on the front portion, but yeah, I'm happy with that. It's nice to get a win every once in a while, huh? And you'll probably hear YouTube in the background. Should have turned that down a little bit. Oh, wow. We might not even have to touch that part up. Boy, I need to model more often when I'm tired. I paint better. I suppose I shouldn't brag about it yet. We're not done. It's usually where I get into trouble. Just a little bit on the top of the tire. But other than that, yeah, you could see a whole lot of the back of my hand there. Get my glasses back on and just kind of go over it again. Whoa, don't break that off, please. You've gone so far. But, yeah, I think we'll probably call that a video. Let's get that up there so you can see it. And again, I'm going to paint this where the bare plastic is. I'm just going to paint that the flat black with the tire when I do it. And the other side. Yeah, that turned out a lot better than I thought it was going to. But I think we'll call that a video. In the next video, we'll touch up the tires after our landing gear dries. And probably paint the guns on it, the gun metal. So I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.